In this video, we will solve this geometry problem. Let's read the question. A square piece of cardboard is folded in half as shown, and then cut into two rectangles along the fold. The perimeter of the two rectangles is 24 inches. What is the area of the original square? So we are given a square, and the square is cut into half from this line, and it generates two different rectangles. So if we say the short side of the rectangle A and short side of this rectangle is also A, that means the side length of square becomes 2A, and in all sides we have 2A as a length of this square. So what we need to do, we need to find the A, the value A. So we are given an information, so we know the perimeter, the sum of the two perimeters, two rectangles, perimeter is 24 inches. So if I call this rectangle 1 and this rectangle 2, so the total perimeter of these two, so total, or we can call it sum. So sum of two rectangles, sum of 1 and 2 basically together is equivalent to 24 inches. So how can I calculate the perimeter of the 1 and perimeter of 2? They are the same thing actually, and then we will add them. So a perimeter of this rectangle, so this side is also A, this side also A. So perimeter of rectangle is calculated. If I start from this corner, I must add this length, so this is 2A, not A, and this side and this side. So I complete one cycle around the shape, so that's the perimeter. So I need to add the side lengths then. So to perimeter of first rectangle is A plus 2A plus A again plus 2A again. So if we add those together, 1A plus 2A, it's like one apple plus 2 apple, another apple, another apple. Total we have 6 apples, 6A. So this is the perimeter of the first rectangle. So second rectangle is also the same thing. So if I write it here, it's also the same because they are the same identical rectangles. So if we add them together, so it should give us 24. That means 12A, if we add 6 apples and 6 apples, it makes 12 apples, something like that. And then it equals to 24. So what is the value of one apple? The one apple, so if we divide both sides to 12, it will be equal to 2. So A is 2. Basically this side length here, A is 2. If we have 2 of them, it should be 2 times 2 equals 4. So this is 2, this is 2, and this is 4. So what is the area formula of square? So square has all side lengths are same rectangle. So what is the formula we can write? Width times width is the area of square. So area will be then the width of the square is all sides 4 basically. So that means 4 times 4 is the area of this square. Original square is 16 square inches. So this is our solution. I hope you enjoyed this video and it is helpful for you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.